Hello, hello, hello. Lori here with Interior Jewels. How are you today? I haven't done a video in a long time of a thrift haul. And I have some items here that I am going to be preparing to do floral arrangements in. And I thought I would show you some of the items that I picked up. Again, I always say I like to do floral arrangements in different vessels, different ideas, think outside the box, not your typical vase. So I have some things here. One of it is this adorable little wooden chair. I'm going to do an arrangement on the actual seat of it. This becomes the perfect little decor piece that can fit in so many places. I got this gorgeous ceramic bowl. I believe that this was $5. Sometimes too, I mean, you could get valuable things in the thrift stores. This happens to say Hosley, Hosley Potteries. I'm not sure where that is, but this is really a gorgeous bowl that I could do a large floral piece in. So that's going to be great. I love doing candlestick arrangements. This is really heavy. Whether this is, I don't think it's ceramic. I think it's like a resin. It's very detailed. And again, these don't have to be left in the condition that I get them. I paint many of these. But tonight what I'm going to be doing is adding the spray foam to prepare these for florals to go in. So I just wanted to show you what I did find in the thrift store. This is, as I said, a really heavy detailed piece. A beautiful arrangement could go on top of this. I have two other metal candlesticks as well. And again, you could see that these were for pillar candles, so fat ones. So when I spray the spray foam on here, I could get a nice base to do a nice size arrangement and have this be the base. This was $5.99, $4.99. I still have the tags on them from the thrift store. And this was a fun piece. This is a very rustic piece. It's a metal hanger with a hanger, so this can hang on a wall, a door. I thought this would be great with florals hanging over it. Again, it doesn't have to stay painted as it is here. I think I'm actually going to sand some of this down and have the galvanized metal come through it. Again, really, really rustic. But I wanted to show you, I know I've done videos on this before, but what I'm using is the gaps and cracks. There are many different brand names for this. You can get this in Walmart as well. This is spray insulation foam. And it's a great medium to use with faux florals to stick the faux florals in rather than using floral foam. The thing is that you really have to prepare for this because this needs at least 24 hours to dry. It comes with the applicator that you just screw right on there. And I always like to have multiple pieces ready to go because this stuff will dry out. Although I do believe in one of my past videos, someone had commented that there is a way to save this. And you know what, I have to go back to the comments and see what she said because I'm not remembering. I didn't realize that. Oh wait, it does say something on here. To reuse straw, cut, discard tip, and cured foam near end of straw. So I guess you can sort of, I don't know. But I've always used the whole can, so I've always had multiple projects ready to go, and I get to as many of them as I can. If I don't get to all of them, that's fine, but I'd hate to use it on all and then only have a little bit of the foam and have to waste it. So these two items especially will take more. I shake this up, and then I just start. This is actually fun. It's kind of like building an ice cream sundae. Gets loud. And keep in mind that this expands, so you don't want to fill it up to the tippy top because this just will keep growing. I mean, if need be, when it was dry, you can easily cut it off. But again, not to waste it, I never fill it to the top, knowing that it's going to expand. So you can see how much room I left before going to the top. So I'm going to do my 2 largest pieces first. Let me take this tag off here so the tag doesn't get in here. And I love having these prepared ahead of time, so when I start doing arrangements, I could just start doing them. They're ready to go. Just keep filling. This one's taking a lot. I may not get to the other pieces. But you can see how much I filled that up. And again, it will continue to expand. This only needs a little bit, so let's see if I can get some on here. And what's nice about using this as opposed to the floral foam, whatever you spray this on, it adheres to. So when you're using floral foam, unless you're putting it in something that's going to stay, you're going to have to use floral tape or cable ties or something to keep the foam attached. This is why I like using this, because whatever you spray it on is what it adheres to it. I don't have to get this, you know, secure it down. It just stays. There's one. I still have some left. I'm going to keep going here. Hopefully I can get to the 2. It doesn't look like I'm going to get to the other candlestick, but this is fine. Maybe I will. There's one. And I have one more. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 pieces, and these 2 were pretty large. I'm going to stand that up so that dries properly. Let's see how much I can squeeze out of here, if any. It's a tight squeeze. So again, this is one of the products that I love to do, to use in doing my faux floral designs. I just find it easy. Yeah, I think I'll be able to get enough on here. Again, this will almost double in size. It's like squirting out the ice cream out of the soft serve machines, making sundaes. I think I got it. There. So these are all prepped for when I am ready to start making arrangements. I always say utilize your thrift stores. Even this time of the year, so many people are having garage sales, yard sales, estate sales. You can find some great things to do arrangements on. You know, it could even be something flat, like a window frame. You can spray it in the corner to do a pretty floral piece in the corner of a window frame. The window boxes, pictures, you know, pouring pictures. There's so many things that you can do floral arrangements on. So I always like to think outside the box, as I say. By the way, I did not use gloves in doing this because I'm just so used to doing that. But do as I say, not as I do. If you're not used to working with this, please do wear gloves, because when it gets on your skin, it does not come off. it takes days and days to wash away on your skin. It's not good to get it on your skin. So there's my tips for tonight. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If you enjoyed this information, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my page. I truly appreciate it so I can continue to put videos out like this. And again, I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks so much for tuning in and have a great night.